Hey everyone, so now we're at the Circassian ferry terminal, and this is the Bosphorus Strait, and right across the river over there is the Asian side, which I'm going to be heading over from the European side. So let's head over to the terminal. So the first thing you got to do to get on the ferry is to prepay for your trip. So you go to the Istanbulkart machine on the left, that's a yellow machine. You get Istanbulkart for 50 Turkish lira, and then you prepay on the card. At the time of this filming, the fare was 1050 Turkish lira, which is about 55 cents. You can also select the British flag on the machine for it to speak in English. This is the yellow machine. So here we're getting on to the ferry to Circassian Harem. I already made my first mistake getting onto the wrong ferry stop, and then I got off. So now, hopefully I got this right. Beautiful views of the Bosphorus Strait. Enjoy this. So it's 10 lira to get on here, and it's like a 20-minute boat trip. But yeah, I love cruising on the river and straits and anything with a boat. So down there is the Asian side. You can also sit inside. So here you have some very comfortable seating inside, where you can just sit and relax during your trip. You also have this nice snack bar where you can buy all kinds of snacks and tea while you wait. All right, we're moving. Just beautiful. Let's check out the other kitchen here. Okay, it's just a place to sit inside. Now, you're probably going to hear the wind, but I prefer doing this on the outside. Beautiful. We're going at a good speed too. There's a walkway to the carports. Just awesome. On the other side of the Golden Horn is Beyglu with the 14th century Galata Tower, which is a 200-foot observation tower that offers excellent views of the city. The only problem is there's usually very long lineups. I don't know if you already know this, but that was not the original Galata Tower. About 1500 years ago, the Emperor Justinian built a tower there that was destroyed during the Fourth Crusades in 1204. Then, in 1267, it was rebuilt in the current Romanesque style. Yeah, last time I was here, I stayed in a hotel near that needle that's sticking out. That's a 725-foot radio tower on top of the Kamlika Hill with an observation deck and restaurant. I'm trying to think what was the mall that was closest there. It was like a high-end mall, and they had like Gucci and Versace and all kinds of stuff like that they were selling, and they were the originals, not the fake stuff. Okay, now I remember, it was called the Emar Square Mall. All kinds of cars, cube vans down here. This just feels so calm and relaxing. It's almost like the waters are speaking poetry to you, while the calm winds massage your soul. I don't know if you can imagine how wonderful this feels with the cool breeze brushing against your cheeks while the wind strokes your hair in the opposite direction. Like a nice summer day at a cottage where uncut grass is swaying back and forth. The calm waters just make your worries fade away. It's just so amazing visiting a land so far away, imagining how beautiful it must have been. Thousands of years ago, when the Romans sailed across this strait with their yachts and sailing vessels, enjoying the scenic views with their loved ones. So sit back, relax, and try to listen to what the calm waters of the Bosphorus Strait are whispering to you today. Just beautiful. I can just imagine what it would be like during the Roman period. Triremes and private Roman ships. I understand now why Constantine loved this place. So we're very close now. The way that sun just glistens off the lake is absolutely amazing. So here we are approaching the Harem Dock on the Asian side. Ahead of us will be a bus terminal with a bunch of public buses and private minibuses. I suggest getting the Move It app to find out which bus is right for you. So that concludes our trip. If you loved this video, please hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video.